Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing a Micro-Air Easy Start on our Coleman Mach AC unit. So Micro-Air did a really cool thing for Valentine's Day. They opened up a contest for, I guess, fans of their page who own Micro-Air Easy Touches, or I believe Easy Starts as well. You just had to take a picture of you and your dog with your Micro-Air product, and then you submit it to them and they pick 8 winners. So cool thing, Elsa and Reagan were selected as one of those 8 winners. And Micro-Air gave us the option of an Easy Start or an Easy Touch, and we actually had one of each already. We opted for the Easy Start to be able to have that soft starting capability on both of our AC units. If you're looking to install a Micro-Air Easy Start on one of your Coleman Mach units, this will be kind of a walkthrough of how I did it. Again, I would always consult instructions, but if you're not comfortable around wiring or electronics, just make sure you have a professional install it for you. But if you're handy in the slightest, it's like a super easy install. So I'll walk you through it real quick, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So last time I did this, I got attacked by some wasps. So I'm hoping it's cool enough out that they haven't really made their nest in this AC unit, because that was pretty miserable last time. So this compartment right here is where the stingy bugs came out of last time, so hopefully don't be dealing with that now. Looks like we're free and clear. So we've got our wires routed from the Easy Start up through that hole. And that's the inside of that little compartment that I opened that the wasps were in on my last AC unit, and just kind of ran it out here. Now I'm going to make all the connections. The first connection that we're going to make is this white wire on top of the capacitor here. I've already pulled it out, but we're going to strip this off, or I'm sorry, we're going to cut this off, strip it, and then crimp it together with the brown wire coming from the Easy Start. And you'll have to forgive me, I'm kind of laying at a pretty awkward angle on top of the rig here. So we're going to use the included crimps, these clear looking crimps that come with the install kit.
Maximum effort.
So this next step's pretty easy. You're going to take the white wire that came with the Easy Start that should have this yellow connector on it already. If not, you'll need to put one on. And then you're going to plug it in right where this white wire came from, on top of that capacitor. Then you're going to take the orange wire and plug it in to the same little section on that capacitor as that red wire. I'm sorry, the orange wire from the Easy Start. That leaves you with just one wire left. The last wiring step's pretty simple. You're going to take the purple wire that has the black wire crimped to it from the factory, and we're going to cut this connector off. We're then going to strip both of these wires. You want to make sure you have a decent amount of wire to work with here because we're going to be crimping 3 wires together. So you're going to take those 2 wires, in addition to the black wire that came from the Easy Start. You're going to twist them all together and crimp them all together. And then you're done wiring. After you finish wiring, you can put this plate back on, zip it on with your 2 screws, and then we'll mount the Easy Start on the side. Close up that compartment, and then we've got our Easy Start hanging out right here. Now what I'm gonna do, there's plenty of ways you can mount this. What I did in our previous unit is I put one of the screws through the Easy Start into there, and then just VHB tape to the back here. And I'm gonna do the same with this one. All right, so that's what it looks like all finished up. Got the wire routed down through here, up into that hole, and that's the compartment where we did all the wiring. All right, guys, we're gonna come over to our Micro Air Easy Touch. As you can tell, we like their products. And we're going to turn the AC on. So the fan just kicked on. I'm an idiot. This is the AC unit that we've already had the Easy Start installed on. So we're gonna go over to the other AC unit. All right, so this is the AC unit we just installed the Easy Start on, and we're gonna drop the temp real low, and we're gonna turn it to cool and see what happens. There it goes. It just kicked on. No big loud jolting or anything like that. So another successful Easy Start install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me installing our second Micro Air Easy Start in our Coleman AC unit. If you like what we're doing here, smash that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe. We hope to hear from y'all. I know we're doing a lot of how-to videos lately. That's because, well, I'll save that for an upcoming video. Okay, so listen, don't tell Reagan I told you this, but we're getting ready to hit the road full time very soon. Like, we're counting weeks, not even months anymore. So, yeah. All right, we hope to see you guys in the next video.